Anyhow, we got shit to do. I had a meeting this morning, so we didn't get to do coffee talk. But we're gonna clean out the under cabinet under here. I got some new adjustable pot lid holders because there's a hot mess under there, and I'm gonna sit these to the side and kind of help. I don't know, I'll show you. But let's organize and clean this cabinet because it's rough. It's driving me crazy, and I hate when I get shit out and I can't, like, everything starts falling. I don't like that. I don't like that. So let's do it. I feel like we just did this, and you're probably like, you did, and I did. But this is a cabinet, honestly, besides my pantry, that I feel like I get in the most, and that's because, like, my pots and pans, my cutting boards, stuff like that is all in here. So I'm gonna show y'all and show you what I'm working with. See, this is where I'm gonna put the adjustable pot holder lids, because my lids and my cutting boards go right there, but my pots and pans go right here. Obviously, I wash dishes, so they're all messed up, and it's not even together. My kids have also already been under here this morning. That's why the pancake thing is out, and my toaster is not all the way back. But we gotta do something. It's driving me crazy. My son literally got this for Christmas. He loves donuts, so they got him a mini donut maker. He uses this quite often here. Here's the pancake maker. I'm gonna figure out where I got it. I'm pretty sure it came from Walmart, but I'm gonna figure out the brand because it doesn't say on here. Oh, it does say on here. Can y'all read that? Maybe you can look it up on Amazon. I'll see if I can find it on Amazon or on Walmart and post a link for y'all. I got all these bacon dishes, but I barely bake. Anybody else have had their toaster since they moved out of their parents' house, like grade school? This is literally the first toaster I ever got when I moved out of my parents' house. I was 18. I'm 31. That fucker is still going strong though. It's okay. And we ain't gonna replace it until it completely takes a shit. They honestly do not make things nowadays like they used to. I got this shelf. When we actually bought our camper, this is where they had the trash can. And the trash can was literally like half the shelf. It was so tiny, and I was like, absolutely not. So I got a different trash can, put it outside, the big trash can, and then bought this retractable shelf. You can literally adjust it to any size you want. And put it under here, and this is where we store our pots and pans. This needs to be cleaned though. It's disgusting. Oh my balls. Alright, it's all cleaned out. It's all cleaned out. Now I need to like disinfect and clean it out. Ask me all the time about my vacuum. It's the Shark Pet Pro cordless, flexible one. It folds it in half. She's fresh and nice and clean and shiny. All right. I got these off Amazon. It's a 4-pack. I probably won't need all 4, but they're like retractable, so they adjust to the size of your lid. Oh yeah, you like take it out and then you adjust it to the size you need, like that. So where's one of my lids? So this is a baggy lid. I probably don't have to adjust the size already, and it just sits in there. Yeah, and it's adhesive. The adhesive strips. It also has a spot where you can screw them. I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. We use a lot of adhesive around here. And even when we trade in our camper eventually, these will just stay. I'm not taking them off. But I'm still not screwing them. Start screwing stuff into thin ass walls, that's where you cause issues. It's done and it's perfect and I'm so excited and I feel much better. Let me show you. Okay, lid holder, lid holder. This is also a lid holder. pots and pans back where they go, all nice and neat. Everything else is organized and looks much better. And yeah, I feel so much better. I love it. I love it. And those pot holder lid holder things, yeah, top notch. I love that you can adjust them. I love it. I love it. I'm super excited. I feel much better about it. All right. Anyway. Okay. Well, I got shit to do. Hope you have a good day and we'll catch you later.